Hey, it's Marco and I'm going to show you how to delete draft story on Instagram. So what you want to do is open up your Instagram and take a random photo for your story. Now if I were to go back, I want to click on save draft, and now this is saved. And if you want to delete it, you need to come back to this screen and click on the bottom left to open up the gallery. And as you can see, I have two drafts right over here. You need to click on select on top right, select the things you want to delete, and then just click delete at the bottom, and then confirm and click delete. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know in the comments down below.